Okay, let's get started on day one of graphing a coordinate grid. And this will be in all four quadrants. Yes, I said day one. Graph points in all four quadrants using ordered pairs of number. This is TEAC 6.11a. Alright, so let's get started. Where is C? Well, remember the hand thing that I did when you had the, oops, there it is. The left hand is an L. You'll be needing that, okay? First off, is it to the left? No, we do side to side, then up and down. So to get to C, we do 2 units to the right, and then 4 units up. Okay, and we always start at this special point, which is our origin. 0, 0. It is our X and our Y. So that's where C is. Plot point 43. Okay, so we have to go out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. And then we go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So here is A, and that is 5, 3. Notice the X always comes first. Side to side, up and down. Okay, where is C? Well, as you can see, it is on the x-axis. Alright, it's not on the y-axis, it's on the x-axis. So, side to side, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how much does it go up? It goes up 0. So that's where point C is. What about plot A at 0, 5? Well, that means side to side it's not going to move at all. So we go to the origin and we can ask, well, where is it going to go? It's going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a review of last year, but it's very important because we're going to move into different territory. So this is A, and its value is 0, 5. Alright, so this is the y-axis. Let's go ahead and go down to the questions. Alright, the answer to this is coordinate grid. Coordinate grid is formed by 2 number lines that intersect at the right angles. The horizontal axis is called the x-axis, while the vertical, the up and down, is called the y-axis. And the point where the axis intersect, this one right here, is called the origin, R-G-I-N, and its value is 0, 0. The ordered pair is called X and Y. In the example of 4, 5, the X coordinate is 4 because it comes first, and the Y coordinate is 5. When graphing, you go left to right, then up and down. So I'm going to sing to you side to side, side to side, up and down. I don't have a good singing voice, but there's some hand motions to that as well. Okay, quadrants. Notice how it starts over here. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Well, all the numbers in quadrant 1 are going to be positive, positive. All the numbers, ordered pairs in quadrant 2 is going to be negative x and a positive y. Quadrant 3 is going to be negative, negative, and quadrant 4 is going to be positive, negative. This is important to know, so make sure you have all that written down. And if you want to have an easy understanding as to how the quadrants are numbered, and they're numbered by Roman numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, you start in the upper right and you make a C. That's how you number them. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, go ahead and plot each of these. See if you can do it faster than me. 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That is where A is. Negative 2 on the X, and up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got right, yep. And then up 1. That's where C is. And D is a special one because it's going to be on the x-axis. It's going to be out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's going to be D. Okay? Now let's write the ordered pair for each point. Let's start out with A. Where's A? Okay, so we know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's down 2, so that's negative 2. B. Well, it's negative 2 and down 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's C? Positive 2 on the X, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's D? It's also side to side, negative 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up 2, 1, 2. Pretty good so far? I think we're doing it great. Okay, let's talk about the bottom half of the page here. What is the x-coordinate of D? Well, the x-coordinate is the first one, so it's 1, 2. What is the y-coordinate for A? Well, the y-coordinate for A is the rise, or up and down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which point is located 4 units to the left of the origin? See, we have to know our lefts. Remember, so 4 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 units above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be A. Which point is located 3 points to the left of the origin? 1, 2, 3. And then 2 points below, that's C. Which point is in quadrant 1? Remember, these are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So which one is in quadrant 1? Well, that, of course, is D. If I plot a point at 5, negative 4, which quadrant would the point be located in? Well, let's go ahead and give that a value of E, and let's go ahead and plot it, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 4, there's E at 5, negative 4. So what quadrant is it in? It's, of course, in the fourth. Let's go ahead and move on to the practice. I want you to go ahead and do the practice on your own, and we'll get back to you. Okay, here is the answers to the problems. I think I have everything squared on that sheet, and I'll slide it up a little bit. And then on this one, here are the answers. So I hope you're having a good day.